All right, we're going to go ahead and make an object that'll help us practice using some of our tools. Uh, I'm using this spotlight just to help out a little bit with this one. I've decided to call him Yahoo, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of Yahoo. And first thing we're going to do is draw a square starting down here. We're going to make it 6 by 6. Enter. Again, our dimensions show up down here. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in on this. And now I'm going to move it. And now we're going to push pull. We're going to move this up 6 and enter. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is we're going to use a different tool now called the line tool. There's two different types of lines. We're going to use a straight line. I'm going to first rotate this so we can see that a little better. Let me get that line tool back. Now we're going to start on this corner and go down to that corner. And then from this corner down to that corner. And now I'm going to use the push-pull. And we are going to push this one in 0.5. So 0.5, enter. And this one in 0.5, enter. And now I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger. Now move it and rotate it. I'm gonna rotate. Well, I'm not. Yeah, I'm gonna rotate. Sorry about that. And so now what I'm gonna do is we're gonna practice making some circles. And one of the things we have to do is I want to get these in the center of where we're at. So to do that, we have to locate where it says midpoint on an edge. And then I'm going to go over to this side and look for midpoint. Again, I'm not clicking, but then I can go out and those two midpoints come together, and that's where we're going to start. So I clicked, and now I'm making my circle, and we're going to make that 1 inch and enter. And I'm going to go ahead and push that through 6 inches. So 6 and enter. Now I'm going to rotate this. We're going to go to the other side. I'll move this a little bit for us. And now I'm going to do that line tool and do the same thing on this side that we did on the other side. Got to work fast. I only have a 5-minute time limit. And I'm going to push this side in 0.5, enter, and this side in 0.5 and enter. There we go. And now we're going to go back to our circle. Let me first rotate this. And I'm turning this, so now we're going to put a circle on this one in the center. So again, we have to find midpoint on that edge and then move our mouse. Look for midpoint on this edge. There it is. Bring those out. They both come in. Click. I'm going to make that 1 and enter. And now, whoops. Escape there. Now I'm going to, oops, I lost something there. We're going to push this through 6. Lost my spotlight. And now we'll rotate this, and you can see that we've gone all the way through. I want you to go ahead, park your piece about like that. We're going to save this. We are going to call it X out. So X out, and say OK, and we're going to put that in our design and modeling folder. Remember to take a snapshot of this and put it in your